All right, I know that I've showed you these before, but this is my Bose noise canceling headset, and this is the way they're supposed to look, nice and firm, but sometimes they start to fall apart, and I don't know why Bose does this, but you know, it does. So I actually got a replacement for this, which is I got a pair, two of these things for $10 on Amazon. So anyway, all you have to do is like really just pull them off. So I just pulled that old one off. All I'm going to do is put this back on and press down all the way around. I can even do this with one hand. That's how easy it is. Just click it all the way around. You should hear a snap every time that you do it. And with one hand, that's not too bad, right? All right, so there it is. I replaced it with one hand. Very easy. Now I have a pair that is comfortable again, and I don't have these little flaky things that end up on my ear after I wear them. Hope you enjoy the video. Like it, please. That really helps. Share with your friends that have these type of things, noise canceling headsets or whatever. Like I said, $10 over on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. And there you go. Have a great day.